Hey everyone, welcome to Linux Minute channel. We are doing City and Guilds level 1 and 2 today. Level 3 can also watch this. Alright, so let's go. Maths and maths. What type of stage 1, stage 2, stage. Refer to figure 1. What is the number with the circle drawn around it? So that's 509. So let's see, 519, 590. 509. So that's P. All right, let's move to 2. Special offer flights from London. So Palmer, $59. Blah 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 blah. Figure 2 refer to which one of the following flights from London is the cheapest. So let me see, 59, 69, 59. All right, so that one there. So I could have stick one each. Roads are $89. Remini are 75. It's a 99. And D of Costa 69. So that would be D 69. So move on to number 3. Figure 3 shows a bracelet of beads. How many beads are on the bracelet? Lord Jesus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So let's see. The next triangular number greater than 3 is. Now, what is a triangular number? A triangular number or triangle number count objects arranged in an equilateral triangle. Triangular numbers are a type of figurative number, right? So basically, the next one would be 6. Ironically, the next one would be 10 and not 9. All right, so very interesting question. Number 5, figure 4 refer to that. The next 3 numbers in the sequence should be, let's see, them are either 2, so 7, 9, 11, and 13. Number 6 refer to figure 5. The symbol stands for the number. Okay, so what number times 12 is a 70? And that would be 6. 6, 12, 70. 10 minus that is equal to 6, and that would be 8. 10 minus 8 gives us 2. All right, so they give us a receipt, and they say blah 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 blah. 2,465 pounds. 2,465. This amount, when written in the figure, is 2,465. So that's E. Let's move on to number 9. A used car costs 175 pounds. It is paid for by check. How should this amount be written in words on the check? 1,750 pounds. B, 1,750 pounds. No, 1,075 pounds. So that will be C, 1,075 pounds. All right, one half pound in weight can be written as, and that would be 0.5. So that's C. See if we can begin. 6.25 is the same as, so 0.25 is the same as a quarter, right? 0.25 is the same as a quarter, so that would be, all right, so figure 8 show the coins in my purse. The grocery bill is $7.84. What is the smallest amount I can give the shopkeeper to pay the bill? So it's $7.84. All right, so we have a 10 year and 20. Oh, so these are $5, £5. All right, so I'm going to take the £5. So these are £5 for £1. So 20. Oh, thing is, I don't know if I sent them. All right, so I'm gonna go with the 2, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 1. Need one more, but that's $7. Let's see what it is. £10, $8.78. Oh, they give you options. I'll go with the $10 because watch out. It's at 20. So I'll go with the 10. So I'll go with £10. Because it can't make and can get back a change. An adult height is usually measured in A, centimeter, B, millimeter, pound, or meter. And that would be centimeter. So number 14, the smaller is of it. So we have A, B, C. You see that now, B. In figure 9, the arrow which shows the normal body temperature in Celsius is, how the hell am I going with the normal body temperature? That would be C. Yes, for every time I check my temperature at school, I'm 36.1. So that's the normal. All right, so that would be C. But if corona never there go wrong, unexpected getting over. All right, a bag of sugar weighs 2 kilograms. The height in grams is, so it will be 2 times 1 to 1 kilogram, so that will be 2,000 grams. How many milliliters are in 1 liter? So that's ml, that's 1,000. 1,000 of this equal to 1 liter. All right, so that's 1,000. So that's C. Number 17. 17 refer to the diagram. A person starts from the crossroad and walk west. The person will be going towards the, okay, so this will be, they show you the north already. This is south, this is east, and this is west. So they're going towards the library. All right, so chart 18 refer to the following clock. The time shown on the display clock, the digital clock is, yo. 3:30 p.m. Right? How many minutes are there in half an hour? So let's reason. How many minutes are there in half an hour? That would be 30 minutes, right? 1 hour, 60 minutes, half, 20 kilograms would usually be used to measure the mass of egg, adult, male, a letter. And that would be an adult. Alright, so it's a cup of tea, 1 equal 1 cup, right? So the key is 1 cup or 1 cup, which shows the number of cups, the number of cups of tea drunk by a worker, on which day did the worker drink the most tea. And that would be Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's Friday, 23. So it's a British children weekly income. Refer to the figure 13. The weekly income of 11 to 13-year-old is So the 11 to 13, which is this one here. So that's 1. Oh, they gave us a total. That's 183. Oh, they gave us a total over here. So I don't need to add it. If they were to give you the level, you'd have to add up these. Right. I think the P are like cents or pennies or some foolishness. All right, so let's move on to 24. 24 over to the figure 14. Address size 16 is for a person whose address size 16. All right, so boss, tips, no, 38. Let me see something. Tips are 38, yeah. No, tips are 38. So no, that's a part. All right, waist is 76. No, hips are 97. Yeah. No, these are not hips. Boss in part. So all right. 24 with the figure 14. Address size is 16 per person. Hips here. Hips are 40, right? Yeah. Waist is 76. Waist. Oh yeah, waist. Lovely curve in a waist. All right, so let's move on to 25. Item 35 refers to the largest number of pockets sold was on, and that would be Tuesday, which is the longest bar. All right, so the one with the longest bar, that's one being sold, and that is Tuesday, almost 50, right? All right. 26 now. So we have the graph of the setting of an electric fire in one evening. At 7 p.m., the setting on the fire was, so that's 7 p.m. And that was medium, right? So that's C, medium. 27, so it's a pay slip of specimen only, blah, 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 blah. Let's see what else. How many $10 notes did Alan pay into his account? So that's 10, not $10, 10 pounds, 10 pounds. All right, so these are the 10 notes, so that would be 50. Wow. Wonder if these are the value. So it should be 5, I answer. 5. Yeah, so that's C. 28. Figure 8. Show the rectangle ABCD using a pair of compass. Draw a circle radius 2.5 centimeter from center E. Circle crosses a rectangle OB ABC. 0 times, 6 times, blah, blah, blah. They didn't give any measurements. I'll leave out the one there, guys. Let me just say, using a pair of compass, draw a circle, radius 2.5. If you actually do that, so we'll leave out the one, 29. Which of the numbers in figure 19 has a line of symmetry? And that would be 8. Line of symmetry, that's all right. So, so straight there, 8. 30. A student walks all around the edge of a sports pitch, which is 135 meters long and 55 meters wide. How far does the student walk? So first, a student walk all around the edge of a sports pitch. This can be tricky. So I assume it's a rectangle this over there. So 135 and 135, that's what. So 70, 55 and 55 are 110. So I'm gonna go with 380. So the 130 is width and wide, right? So this is gonna be 135 also, and then this 55. All right, so we're halfway there. If you like button, 31. How many centimeters of a border are needed to go around the edge of the square shown in figure 20? How many centimeters of border are needed to go around the edge of a square? Okay, so that's 30 plus 30. In the structure in question, so wonderful, you have here one. So that's 120, the asking for the perimeter. Which of the following is not tessellation of the shapes which is given? Now, tessellations mean when you put them together, there's no space. Like this tessellation, you see that? No space to left out, and you can continue. This you can continue same way. So no space. This no space. So this has no tessellation. So that would be D. All right, let's move on to this. So we have a 7 by 6. The patio shown in figure 21 is to be tiled. The area to be tiled is, so everything on tile, so that'll be 7 times 6, 42. If you want, you can see that I'm counting it again. One on the time for that. 40, 21, 28. Each one of them. That would be 42. Alright, so let's move on to this 134. For the bedroom carpet, I have a 4 by 3. The area of the bedroom carpet is 3 by 4. That will be 12. A square floor covering a side of length 3 meters. A square floor covering, right? What is the area? So it's a square floor. So that will be 3 times 3, 9. Which of the following shapes could be cut out and folded into a cube? And that would be A. You guys should have done the next, right? In class. All right, student A, 8 centimeter cube. Student B, 8 meter square. Student C, 8 meter square. Student D, 8 centimeter. Figure 3 shows the answer given by 4 students after counting cubes to find the volume of a cuboid. Which student gave an answer which is the correct unit of volume? Now, if it's cube, it's supposed to be 3, so that's student A. Let's move on to 38. Add the 48 plus 24. So that's 2, carry 1, 17. 38 plus 5, that is 43. We have 50 pence, 2 pence, yeah. 2 pence, 5 pence, and 5 pence. The total value of kind is, so that's 50, 60, 70, 72 pence. The price of a suit is reduced from 199, from 1995 to 1956. How much is the price reduced? So we are supposed to subtract 1956. 6 from 1599. 8 by 8. So 8 from the 500, so that's 39 pounds. Let's move on to 41. So it's a railroad. 100 minus 17, and that's 82. Figure 25, railroad 15 pound. Railroad standard return $17 pound. Railroad first class single 25 pound, and railroad first class return 45 pounds. All right. Figure 25 refer to how much will 3 first class ticket cost? First class return, first class single. What is? Return. What is it? First class return. Okay. But it will be this. It's 45 times 3. 3 by 50. All right. So let's move on to 44. Cox 48 pence per pound. Or Cox. Over there. All right. We got 26, 48 pence per pound. Refer to the cost of 3 pounds of Cox is I don't know. All right, guys. The pence are like cents, right? So 3 8s 24. So 3 times 4 12 and that's 40. Right? So yeah, let me see. 100. I'm sure because that's how it appears by calculation. Dice are sold in packs of 5. How many packs can be made from 175 dice? All right, so 5 packs. The dice are sold in packs of 5. How many packs can be made? So we have to divide, right? Or we could multiply 5 into this. You can't 5 into 5 into 25. That's 5. So that would be 5 5 25. So this is going to be 0 now. So that's 35 plus 8. All right. 35 pounds is shared equally among 5 people. Each person received 35 divided by 5 and 7. So each person will receive 7 pounds. In a money box, there are 3 50-pence coins, 3 10-pence coins, 6 2-pence coins. What is the total amount of money in the money box? 3 50-pence coin, 50. So 3 times 2 10-pence, 3 10-pence, and 6 2-pence. So that's 6. That is 150. Guys, remember this is a British exam, right? 3 times 10, 30, and 6 times 2. 6 2-pence pence, 3 50-pence coins. And then you have 12. So that's 2, 100, 409. Right? Remember 100 pence, like what we call cents, right? So the pence are 1 year. All right, so let's move on to 48. A person buys a t-shirt for $10, 10 pounds 50 pence, and a pair of socks, 3 pounds 99 pence. Total paid is, so all of this just added on to it. Right? So that's 99. So that's 9, 4 times 1, 3 and 4. That is 149. All right, so let's move on to 49. Total 2 pounds 75 pence. Figure 7. The bill is paid with a $5 note. How much change should be given? Right? So again, $5 can be written as this. So borrow from here. Every British exam is all about borrowing. You have to prove that to them so you can borrow. That's 225 pounds. All right, so brilliant white vinyl malt silk emulsion 2.5 liter tin. It was $3.49 or $2.99. The discount on the tin of paint is, so let's go. We have $3.49 and subtract $2.99. I want to find a difference, right? Reduce. Yes, sir. R1. So now we have 40, 9 pounds 45. So that's 50 pence. So reduced by 50 pence. Just remember, 100 pence is 1 pound. And I learned that today just by the calculation. Awesome. Electricity costs 5 pence per unit. How much would 100 units cost? Again, this is 500 pence. That's 5 times 100. However, supposed to divide by 100 now. So you get 5 pounds. So that's P. Awesome. Question in here. All right, books 45 pence each. What is the total cost of 4 books? So that will be 4 times 45 and 100 pounds, right? A very nice paper. 4 5 20. I have appreciation for this. 4 4 16 and then 80. Again, it is 180 pence. So it will be 180 divided by 100. Right? Pound and 80 pence. 53. A jar of coffee costs $5, 5 pounds and 7 pence. The cost is shared equally between 3 people. How much does each person pay? Alright, so we have, let us divide it generally. 5 and 7 is 2 times 1. 3 ones 3, subtract, we get 2. 5 and 0, 3 18, whatever you 2, and then 5 and 7. 3 to 27, 9, so that will be 1.69. be 1.69. All right, 7 coach tickets of equal value, 7 of equal value cost 59.50. Cost of 1 ticket is, so again, totally ignore the decimal points. So it's long division this. Remember about this, because you guys must take on or see the reason behind it. So I want this space, I'm going to use this space because this is a very long division. Long division. All right, so we have 7. That's each one of them equals, so that's 5, 9, 5, 0. 7 to 5 I can't, so we have 59. So that's 8. So 7, 8 are 56. So that's 56. Subtract now, we get 3, 5 times. So I think that's the answer. That's D. All right, let's move on to 55. Almost finished. A tourist in London walks half mile from Big Ben to Trafalgar Square and then quarter miles to Buckingham Palace. Total distance walk is a half and a quarter, 3 quarter. Now go show me that. You know that guys. Half and a quarter, 3 quarter. A person weighed 10 and 3 quarter stones before going on a diet. On the diet, 1.5 stones were lost. How much did the person they lost in the diet? So that 10 and 3 quarter minus, just do it so you guys can see, minus 1.5. Alright, so get 1 3 quarter minus a half. 10 is 4, 0.241 multiplied by that. 3 1s 3, 22, so that's a quarter. Alright, so that's 9 and a quarter. So that's 8. Let's move on to 57. In a survey, a quarter of the people would not answer the question. If there were 100 people in the survey, how many would not answer? So it's a quarter times 100. 4 1, 4 to 10, 2, 4 2, 4 to that 5. Alright, so that's 25. Alright, let's move on to 28. The cab airport, 29 pounds. A speedy cab to the airport costs 29 pounds. 4 people share the cost equally. The correct way to work out the cost would be A, 29 divided by 4. Guys, this is the foundation of my paper. I'm ready to move on. So I'm to 60. No! Paper short. Alright, guys, you have come to the end of the paper. I don't know what happened to 59 and 60. So this is the next benefit. Thank you guys for the video. Alright, no longer staying sub so we can get the benefit. Alright, for first paper for you guys. This is the next benefit, no doubt.